Hello everyone. Today's video is all about summer special watermelon popsicle. Yes, see, they are so beautiful and so attractive, yet they are tasty and healthy also. Mostly in summer we like to have ice creams a lot, cool and sweet something. So whenever your kids ask for ice cream, prepare this popsicle, they'll ask once more. So all you need is a watermelon over here. Now remove all the outer skin of the watermelon, and then you have to extract the red part from the watermelon. Now chop that into nice pieces, and after you cut into pieces, remove the seeds and then put it in a bowl. Now after that, add all the cut pieces of watermelon into the blender and blend it nicely into a juice. I didn't add sugar over here. Now for shots or the ice cream thing, you need to take shot glasses like this, or else any glasses that is equally from top to bottom. If you have any curves in the glasses, you won't get popsicle nicely. Now add the juice into this and add watermelon seeds. In place of watermelon seeds, add choco chips also, and then freeze it for 2 hours. Now here I have taken whipping cream for the second layer. You can also add milk or else coconut milk also. So once the watermelon juice is frozen nicely, now add the whipping cream on top of it and add popsicle sticks in the middle of it, and again freeze it for 2 to 3 hours. Now see, we have got almost 2 layers of the watermelon. Now after 3 hours, now take a bowl and add 1 full lemon juice into this, and add cool or chilled water, because if you add room temperature water and add this water on top of the popsicle, that starts melting. That is the reason I have added cool chilled water here. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar and a little bit of green color for the topping of the popsicle, and then stir it nicely. Now remove the frozen watermelon popsicle from the fridge like this and start adding the green color, that is the lemon topping on this frozen ones. See, this is what exactly we wanted. This is so attractive and nice, right? See, we have got the top green layer, middle white layer, and the bottom watermelon layer. Now you can add it like this also, 3/4 of red and 1/4 of white and green. Otherwise, you can add equal portions. It is of your choice. Now freeze this for again 5 to 6 hours for better results. Now once you're done, you take a jar of lukewarm water like this, and then remove all the popsicles from the refrigerator and dip it into the lukewarm water like this. So once you do like this, that will be freed, and it is very easy to remove the popsicle from it. That's it. It's so simple and easy also, and yet healthy and tasty. Try this and let me know how it turned to you. Please subscribe our channel.